Good morning, everybody. So I'm just going to make another short little video on the 7-pin flat trailer plug wiring harness. I went down to Toyota and ordered the kit. It came down overnight, so that was pretty quick. $250. That's the part number. There's the harness. Comes with all the bits and pieces you need. Just need to download the instructions. Fitting time 20 minutes. So we're going to get that in. So it just says to disconnect your negative on the battery first, and then you're away. So the instructions are pretty straightforward. Even I can follow them, so you shouldn't have any trouble. So you just need to take that blanking plate out of there. Connect the harness in there. Click. And then we'll just keep following the instructions. There's the earth, just there. You just undo that and attach that. So there's the earth bolt there, and I've just come down and around there the same way as this other wire, just to keep it nice and neat. So I've just done that up finger tight at the moment, in case I want to just change that later on. We'll just see how the wires want to sit. Just got to get the trailer ECU and mount it to this plate here. Just line up the holes. It's got holes in it there. There and there. Comes with a few bolts. So once you've got that in, bolted like that, then that lines up with these two threaded bolt holes here in the back of the chassis. But me being me, I think I'm going to flip that way and put it on that way, just so it looks a little bit neater and tidier, not sort of up that way where it's all showing. But that's just me, personal opinion again. I don't think it's going to affect anything. I can always change it later if I need to, but I just think that looks a little bit neater, a bit tidier. So I'm going to mount it that way, and then I'll hook it up. So I've got that where I want it, and now I'm just going to zip tie it in all nice and tie it out of the way. That's the earth. So there's plenty of holes here to zip tie it, and it's up and out of the way. And then I've just got to put my Heyman Reese skid plate back on, and that'll protect that. Hey, we're all done. I like to use heaps of zip ties. They're pretty cheap. Don't want any sticks flicking up and pulling this out. So we'll just go around and cut them all at the end. So here we go, all done, all installed, zip tied everything up, nice and neat. Got it in there. I'll show you under here. Bit hard to see, but I've just tucked it up here at the end of the chassis rail here, in the back in this cavity here. And I just brought the earth down here. It was coming down here, but I just wanted to protect it a bit more, so I've just changed it and come across there. And that's it. Sits in there. Nice and protected. All up out of the way. Nothing hanging down. That's good. Happy with that. Another job done.